So hypothetical, you got this super hot girlfriend, you need to get her something for Valentine's. Otherwise, you ain't getting nothing for Valentine's. But you don't want to spend any money. Well, I got this perfect DIY gift that's not going to cost you anything using this seashell. So, what do girls like? Jewelry. So we're at the jewelry bench. What's her favorite color? Pink. So we got this beautiful pink conch shell. Let's cut it open, see what we got to work with. Okay, we better do this outside because it's going to get a little messy. If you have a tile saw or a rock saw, which is what this is, you can use that. Or you can use a grinder with a tile saw diamond bit on it to cut it. Now what we're looking for is the beautiful pink color. This first part just seems to be white, so let's just get rid of that. Now that's a beautiful color pink right there. We're going to be a little bit more gentle now with our cutting and move to the rock saw. Okay, time to shape them up. Yeah, now you see where I'm going with this, right? That's it. And once you like the shape, you can move to the final polish. And next, we need to drill a hole for our bail so that we have something to hang the chain from. I like to use a diamond bit. So now that we have the holes drilled, we can get some wire and the bail right there and put it together. So tell me, what's a girl's favorite place? The beach. What's their favorite color? Pink. What's their favorite shape? Heart. And what's their favorite thing to get on Valentine's Day? Jewelry. So tell me, is this the perfect Valentine's gift? Leave a comment.